What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy, Chef Uwu, back with another episode of the world's greatest cooking show. So yeah, we're gonna be cooking a much thicker cut of steak. Hopefully I can show you guys. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, I know I did cook a steak not too long ago, but that was your starter steak. You know, the ones you find at your local grocery stores. Sometimes it's on sale, not a lot of thickness to it. Today, we got the big boys. The big boys, yeah, man. Now, if you haven't seen the video that I did earlier, the other steak video, make sure you watch it. I'm gonna have a link to that in this video. But basically, in that video, I teach you guys how to tenderize, how to season, and all of that good stuff. So what I did already, for the sake of time, and also being that this is a second video on me cooking steak, I went ahead and I seasoned it overnight. So what you're looking at is the steak pre-seasoned. I put a little olive oil, I put sea salt, rosemary, garlic. You guessed it. I love me some rosemary, garlic, and I also put some red bell and pepper, all mixed into the steak on both sides. So it's been over 24 hours since I placed it in the refrigerator, and we're getting ready to cook this bad boy. I set this to like a medium high, so I'm gonna go ahead and let the butter melt there. Yeah, we're gonna get our pan ready. Pan-seared steak. Oh yeah. All right, guys. All right, so you're gonna want the butter to melt completely. Doesn't have to turn brown and completely caramelize, but you can let it do so if you like. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the steak. All right. So as you can see, I'm grabbing the first steak. Look at how thick that bad boy is right there. Just look at that, ladies and gents. Okay. Wonderful. And again, if you haven't watched the first steak video, make sure you do, because you'll know all the ins and outs about how to tenderize. Also, the doneness test. Yes, you can actually tell in advance, based on how the texture of the steak feels, how well done it is. All right, there we go. And I just threw a little piece of butter right on the top. Let it sit right there. Just chill out, hang out with the steak. Gonna let this sit for at least another minute or so, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, ladies and gents, we are back. Yes. You see that little piece of butter I placed on top melted right into the juicy steak. We're just about done. There's a little piece right here. You see that, guys? I cut it just to make sure that it's the doneness level that I'm looking for. The steak is pretty much ready to go. We're gonna pull it right out, and it's just about right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this in just a moment. All my steak lovers, you know what time it is, man. Cue the slow music right now. All right, guys, there you have it. And I just went ahead and cut off this little piece of fat right there. I might, you know, I may or may not throw it away. Let me know in the comments below if you guys eat the fatty pieces. I can't be the only one. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.